Hey guys, Rain Dog here, and we're still looking at the Can Ams. I'm going to take a look at this one. This one's a Turbo RR. Two-door Maverick DS. Cool. Roll cage. Full suspension. Definitely a low trim. That's pretty cool. Pretty sweet. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later.